Hey there, folks. Ever wonder about the secret to a long and healthy life? We search for that fountain of youth, hoping for a magic potion. But what if the answer isn't hidden at all? What if it's right in front of us, tucked away in pockets of our world? Imagine places where people live well past 100, not just surviving, but thriving. They're not in some mythical land, but in real places, where life seems to move a little slower, a little more deliberately. These are the blue zones, and they hold some fascinating secrets. These aren't just isolated cases. Researchers have studied these zones, trying to understand what makes them special. It's not just about genes, but about lifestyle choices, about how they live each day, and that's the exciting part because it means we can learn from them. Maybe even borrow a few of their secrets. So where are these magical places? Well, they're scattered across the globe, each with its unique charm. There's Okinawa, Japan, with its vibrant coral reefs and ancient traditions. Then there's Sardinia, Italy, a mountainous island where family ties run deep. Let's not forget Nicoya, Costa Rica, a peninsula bathed in sunshine and known for its laid-back lifestyle. And then there's Ikaria, Greece, a small island in the Aegean Sea where time seems to stand still. Finally, there's Loma Linda, California, a community right in the heart of the United States that proves you don't need to travel far to embrace a healthier way of life. What's fascinating is that these places are as different as can be. Different cultures, different foods, different climates, yet they share something remarkable. People living longer, healthier lives. There's a common thread woven through their daily routines, a set of habits that seem to defy age. So what are these magical habits? Well, they're not about expensive supplements or complicated routines. They're about simple, everyday choices, about finding joy in the little things. For starters, people in blue zones are always on the move. They walk, they garden, they're active without even thinking about it. Food is another big one. They eat mostly plant-based diets full of fresh fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. Meat is a rarity, a special occasion treat. And they don't overeat. They stop when they're satisfied, listening to their bodies, but it goes beyond diet and exercise. People in blue zones have strong social connections, a sense of belonging and purpose. They prioritize family and community, and they know how to unwind and de-stress. They're not immune to life's challenges, but they face them with resilience, finding joy in the everyday. A blueprint for your own blue zone. Now you might be thinking, that's great for them, but I can't just pick up and move to an island. And you know what? You don't have to. The beauty of the blue zones is that they offer a blueprint, a set of principles we can incorporate into our own lives no matter where we are. Start small. Take a walk during your lunch break. Add more fruits and vegetables to your plate. Call a friend you haven't spoken to in a while. Find an activity that brings you joy, something you can lose yourself in. It's about making gradual changes, one step at a time. Remember, it's not about striving for perfection, but about progress. It's about making choices that nourish your body, mind, and spirit. It's about living with intention, appreciating the little things, and cultivating meaningful connections. Beyond the horizon. The blue zones aren't just geographical locations, they're a state of mind, a way of life. They remind us that longevity isn't about chasing after some elusive secret, but about embracing the simple joys of life. It's about savoring each moment, connecting with loved ones, and finding purpose in our everyday actions. It's about living fully right here, right now. And who knows, maybe, just maybe, by embracing these lessons, we can create our own little pockets of longevity, our own blue zones, wherever we call home. The journey to a long and healthy life might be simpler than we think. It's time to take a page from the Blue Zones book and start writing our own stories of vitality and well-being. After all, the fountain of youth might not be a place, but a way of life.